ASI, Association Sommelier International in English. ASI is a world organization, an association for national sommelier associations around the world. They are founded in 1969, so they passed their 55th anniversary. But when I joined them in '84, they were only 30 member countries. Today they have 78 member countries from around the world. To become a member of ASI, the country must apply for membership. The ASI's bylaw committee investigate this association applying for membership, and they decide if they actually are the official representative of the country, because there can only be one member countries in ASI from each country. So sometimes it takes a few years before a country who applies for membership become a member of ASI. But ASI is a big organization who connect and collect all the member countries around the world. 78 members now.